right, push left to go left. Push right to go right, push left to go left. Push right to go right. Push left to go left. Push right to go right. It works. Push right. Push left. Push right. Push left. Push left. Push right. Push left. Push right. Push left. Push left. Push right. Push left. Push right. Push left. Push right. Lift my feet up. Push left. Push right. Pushing left. Pushing right. Pushing right. Quick change, pushing left. Pushing right. Pushing left. Pushing right. Push left. Push right. Push left. Push right. Push left. Push right. Pushing left, turning left. All right, here's another one. Push left, push left, pull left, push left, pull left, push left, pull left. On the other hand, push right, pull right, push right, pull right, push right, pull right. Whee! Two hands. All right, push left. And again, push right. As bicycle riders, we've been doing this subconsciously since the day we got off our training reels. That's how you balance. Push left, push right. But it's making that conscious decision to push left and push right, and then to let the wheel follow itself into that turn. So to go from push left into the turn left. Now, this is a really good path to come along and demonstrate, because there's a lot of nice easy turns. Push right, push left, push right, push left. Pushing left, pushing right, pushing left, pushing left, deliberately running a little ride, pushing right, pushing left, pushing right, pushing left, pushing right, pushing left, pushing right, push left, push right. Push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push right. All right, now I can do the one finger trick. Pull left, push left, pull left, push left, push right, pull right, push right, pull right. Pushing left, turning left, push right, push left, all right, pulling left, pushing left, pulling left, pushing left, pushing right, pulling right, pushing right, pulling right, pushing right, pulling right, pushing right, pulling right to turn left. Swallowing bugs, spitting bugs, swallowing bugs. All right, again, we're going to push right, pushing right. Again here, pushing left. Pushing left, pushing right, pushing left, pushing right, pushing left, pushing right, pushing left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Push right to go right. Push right. Push left. Now, it's not just a concept that works at decent speed on tarmac, it also works off-road. Push right, push left, push left, push right, through the ditch, oh, this is muck. This is what the Talon-e was made for. There was no way that I could do a crossing like this in this level of swampy mush on any other bike. Two strokes, forget about it. Oh. And it looks like I'll have to circuit around the construction site. Oh, dear. Okay. Push left. Now turn left. Push left, push right, turn right. Hopefully one of the bubblers is in good condition. I could use a drink of water after all that. Oh dear. Cool. Oh. Look at all the muck. So I've pretty succinctly demonstrated counter steering principles on a push bike. And it's one thing to just ride along. It's another thing once you start taking notice of exactly the control you're taking on that bike. And it's a good way to practice, I found, is actively saying push left as you push left and vice versa for right. Push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, pushing left, pushing left, pushing left, pushing left, turning left, slowing down. Push right. Now watch this, quick one. Push right, push left. Push right, push left. Push right, push right. Push left. Push right, push left. Obstacle, push right, push left. Obstacle, push right, push left. 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 push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left. Push right, push left. Push right, push left. Push right, push left. All right, aim for the shadow. Ready? Push right, push left. Push right, push left. Push left, push right. Push left, push right, push left. Slow down for the road. Push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left. Push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push left, push right, push left, push left, pushing right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left, push right, push left. Push left. Okay, left, right, left, right, left. Push left, turn left. Right, ready? Pushing right. For the roundabout, pulling left, steering into the turn. Again, signalling left, pulling right.